Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Alien Rogue Incursion Evolved Edition game crashing, not launching, not loading, black screen, lagging or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart your PS5. This is one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. You just need to open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Then select power button and finally select restart PS5. Once done, try to launch the game and see if it helps. If not, next solution to rebuild database. For that, first switch off your PS5, then hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. Once done, try to play the game. If not, next solution is to check storage space on console. First go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see extended storage and console storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Once done, try to launch the game and see if it resolves the problem. If not, next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, open settings, then go to network, then settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next solution is to change language on console. So for that, first open PS5 settings, then go to system. Here select language options in the left sidebar, then select current language. Now from here change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next method is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update. If any update is available, click on update and follow the instructions and then try to launch the game and see if you can play it. If not, next method is to restore licenses. For that, first open settings, then click on user and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Alien Rogue Incursion Evolved Edition game and then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. Make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on your PS5. Next method is to sign out and sign in to PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error if it is resolved. Next method is to delete game's save file. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now select save data. Here select upload or delete from console storage. Now select Alien Rogue Incursion Evolved Edition game and after that check if the problem is fixed. If not, reset your console settings is the next method. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and then move to system. Now select reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings. At last choose restore option. If not, the next solution is to reinstall the game. For that, first highlight Alien Rogue Incursion Evolved Edition game on your PS5. Then press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install the game once again and then check if the error is fixed. If not, the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. The link I have already provided in the description. Just go through it and explain the issue you are coming across. And hopefully they will try to resolve it from their end or will try to guide you better to play the game without any further problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.